good news for local toy makers and clothing artists. The federal government has now changed its new lead testing policy.
The policy had threatened to stifle entrepreneurs and children's retail stores. KVAL's Laura Rios has been following the story all week as it develops. She joins us now with this consumer alert.
Well, Dave and Jen, the Consumer Product Safety Commission has tentatively approved some exemptions to the law. The testing law goes into effect February 10th. It requires all new and used children's products be tested for lead and phthalates. If it's not tested, it can't be sold. Everyone agrees safer toys and children's clothing is a good idea, but this testing could be a burden for the small businesses that will have to incur the costs. They include local artists, retailers, and secondhand shops like St. Vincent de Paul. Business owners I've been talking to all week say it would cost them tens of thousands of dollars and could put them out of business. Even mourning about the law for the first time this week. In some cases, KVAL News informed them. Right now, those folks are just sifting through the legislation. This is the bill. It's 62 pages long. This is just the first 20 pages, and it's very confusing to these retailers. So they tell us they're in a holding pattern right now, waiting for the federal government to tell them what to do. On Wednesday, some good news for them. The Consumer Product Safety Commission, or CPSC, announced some toys and clothing don't have to be tested, including those made of natural materials like cotton and wood, and toys with lead parts a child can't access. Still, those changes wouldn't take effect until after a comment period, which ends after the February 10th deadline. Congressman Peter DeFazio spoke with the CPSC today. He says they told him secondhand stores should not be included in the law.
Not according to subcommittee staff and CPSC staff, you would not have any liability unless you knew that it was contaminated and you still sold it. So, and they would not require testing, which are the two major concerns.
I'm Laura Rios, KVAL News.
Now, DeFazio told KVAL News the CPSC plans to issue a statement tomorrow clarifying the law, and we'll follow up with that.